In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate your Cloudflare API token. Whether you're setting up Cloudflare for the first time or you need a new API token for a specific task, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to begin at the Cloudflare homepage. Once you're on the Cloudflare website, ensure that you are logged into your account. This is essential because we'll be accessing account-specific settings which require proper authentication. Once logged in, locate and click on your profile. Your profile can typically be found in the upper right corner of the Cloudflare dashboard, represented by an icon or your initials. Clicking this will take you to your account's profile page, where we can begin making important changes. The next step is to navigate to the API tokens section. On your profile page, there should be an option labeled API tokens, often found in the sidebar or under a settings menu. Clicking here will bring you to a page dedicated to the management of your API tokens. This is your go-to place for creating, viewing, and managing all of your tokens. Now, it's time to create a new token. Look for a button labeled Create Token. Clicking this button will initiate the process of generating a new API token for your account. After you begin creating a token, you'll be presented with a selection of API token templates. These templates are pre-configured with specific permissions tailored to common use cases. For the purpose of this walkthrough, we'll use the Edit Cloudflare Workers template. This template provides essential permissions for modifying Cloudflare workers, which might be particularly useful if you're a developer enhancing your site's functionality. Select the template and proceed by clicking Use Template. This will automatically configure the token with the permissions associated with Cloudflare workers. However, you can further customize permissions if needed. Just take a moment to review these settings to ensure your token aligns with your desired access level. Next, you'll have the option to customize the token name. This step is about more than just personalization. It's a convenient way to keep track of multiple tokens. A clear descriptive name will help you remember the token's specific purpose later on. You'll also need to check the associated permissions and account resources related to your token. In here, you should verify that the settings match your intended level of access. Be mindful of the permissions because once set, they govern what your script or third-party application can do with your Cloudflare account. Don't forget about zone resources and filtering options, such as specifying which zones the token applies to. Moreover, IP address restrictions can be applied. This additional security measure ensures that the token functions strictly within established network parameters. Finally, you'll want to define the token's lifespan, ensuring it's active only as long as necessary. When everything looks good, click on Continue to Summary. This final step will bring up a summary page, offering you a chance to review all your choices before finalizing the token creation. And there you have it. With this straightforward process, you can easily generate a Cloudflare API token, tailor it to your specific needs, and ensure your cloud environment remains secure.